This video, I'm going to show you the most basic way you can create a tutorial. So this is actually, I'm filming it on my laptop. So this is recording from the web camera from my laptop. And to do this, I have this program which is called Quicktime Player. So this is on Mac, but it also, you can use it on Windows. So once you turn on Quicktime Player, you're gonna go to File, and now everything's recording, but basically I would click New Movie Recording first so that I can record myself. Once I click that, this window will appear and I can make it as small or as big as I want it to be. Now, obviously the camera quality isn't great, so if I do something like this, it's not gonna look that good. So I usually make it a little smaller. And if I wanted better quality, then I would have to, use my camera, then use all this editing software to put things together. So for simple tutorials, I will just do that. And usually on YouTube, my strategy is that I create the first tutorial very simple. I create multiple ones, see which ones work, and then once I see that one is doing better, then I'm gonna invest more time and create it in a better quality. But for the beginning, to test if the topic is relevant or not, I'm just gonna make a very simple one. So now once we do that, if I click here, I'm gonna disappear. So for you to not have this problem, what you need to do is you need to click QuickTime and then go to View and make sure that this chooses Float on top. So now if I click anywhere, I'm still gonna stay here. Another thing you need to know is that if your window is expanded, it also I disappear. So basically I need to minimize my window and then just drag it out so it's big enough. And last but not least, once we start filming, so I set this up, I move myself to the position I need to be, and then I can click on QuickTime, and if you don't see this, then you click here, you click QuickTime, and then you click File and New Screen Recording. And basically that's it, that's all you need to do. So another thing I want to mention is that right now I'm in a very dark room, and if I turn off this light, for example, it doesn't look great. So what I do is I use just my desk lamp right here. Oh, it's so heavy. So like this. And then for the other light, I actually use this one from Amazon. So it's just a little light like that. I'm gonna link it in the description so you can see it better. But that's basically it. And if I remove this, then this is the light. So you could use the desk light. Ideally, I usually just use natural light, but sometimes you just don't have the right room and you want to film something really quick. So that's it. For this video, I'm just using my Mac, and this is the microphone from my Mac. And for simple videos like that, it's fine. But if I wanted something more nice, just dropping everything right now. So if I wanted something nicer, I do have a Rode microphone and I have my camera. The only thing is that I am pretty lazy and I don't have that much time to record my videos. So this camera gets used very little, and usually my strategy is that first I make tutorials on my computer again, and if it works, then I will make it on my camera and use After Effects to combine the two. If you want me to make a video about that for better quality, let me know in the comments. But honestly, some of my best working videos are just filmed like this, very easily. Nothing crazy. It's more about information that I provide for tutorials. People just want something quick, they want to see how to do it, and then they're just happy. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. And also, this chair is not great because it's so squeaky, so maybe choose a chair that's not like that. Okay, have a nice day.